It's getting dark, and it's the second time that I heard some kind of a strange noise. So it's either birds dancing on my roof, or it is the cats fighting again, or something else. So now that I don't have a lighter, you know, minimalism prevents me from having closed windows, so no animal can jump in here. Once a cat jumped in here. So then the white and the black cat, so it's the shy cat actually, they've been kind of having a standoff. So in the middle of the picture you got cat food, and on the floor there is coffee cream. So today the black cat was in the grass and then disappeared. Twice I saw. What might have sounded like this? It was like something falling, but here nothing can fall. I don't think something has fallen over here, because I was here when I heard it and it wasn't close. So the cat, the white cat, was over there doing some, you know, scratching twice in the grass, like 3 times the first time, and the second time I just saw it going around the corner, do the scratching. So I went to the door and I wanted to serve the cat some cheese when I saw the black cat right there. So I ran there, white and black cat disappeared down there and went like meow, meow, just kind of growling. So now I'm not sure, has the white cat already been hurt, because the black cat is so strong, you know. So now I need to find out what was the thing that fell over. Yeah, it probably was the birds flying, like, you know, maybe the young birds falling off the rooftop as well, because I cannot see what else it was.